Hello everyone, so the module called Warehouse Custom Checklist will create a stock checklist and templates to monitor the progress. Let me show you how that works. First we go into inventory. Into inventory we first go into configuration. Over here you will find two new fields which are stock checklist and stock checklist template. Let me go into this one by one. So let's go into stock checklist. Here I have created this stocks as a name and as well as the description. So this is how you can simply click the stock as well as give the description into that by simply clicking on here new. Now let's go into checklist template. As you can see, I have given the name as well as the checklist in the template. So you can simply add by simply clicking over here, and with the drop down you can simply add which checklist you want to add into this template. Let me save this out and let's go into transfer. So once you go into transfer, you will see the progress of checklist into the list view as well as in the kanban view over here. So let me quickly go and create a new one. Here I will add the contact as well as the operation type, and I will add the product over here. So I will add this products, and now you will see a new tab which is checklist. So by simply clicking over here you can add which checklist template you want to add, and by simple clicking over here you will get all the list attached to it. You can also select multiple, and according to that the report will be fetched. As of now I want to only have one. So if you want to reorder, if you want to check the quality manufacturing, you can simply check and click over complete. So let me save this out first, and if the stock reorder is done, you can simply click over complete. If the quality stock check is not done, you can, and you don't want to check, you can simply click over cancel. By simple clicking on complete and cancel, you can monitor the progress. If let's say if this particular checklist is cancelled, you want it to complete, so you can simply click over into complete and it will give the progress. So let's complete all of this as of now, and as you can see this is showing 100% progress. Let's go into transfer, and there is another filter we have as checklist completed and uncompleted. So when you click on checklist completed, it will give you the report of all the checklist which is into complete stage, and if you click on incomplete it will give all the complete incomplete as well. You can view the same in list view as well. So this is how this module will help you to create custom checklist of stock as well as the template to monitor the progress. If you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.